Welcome to our exploration of the future workforce. As we step into new eras of technology and innovation, the skill sets required are evolving. Today, we dive into what skills will be paramount in the years come. In an increasingly digital world, proficiency in technology isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity. Skills in programming, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity will dominate the job market. The only constant is change. The future workforce must be adaptable, quickly learning new skills and technologies as they emerge. Tomorrow's problems will require complex solutions. Critical thinking and advanced problem-solving will be essential to navigate the challenges ahead. Creativity will set humans apart from machines. Innovation will be the key to driving forward industries and economies. Understanding and managing emotions will play a critical role in leadership and teamwork, fostering a collaborative and productive work environment. As businesses focus on sustainability, understanding environmental impact and ethical decision-making will become crucial. With a connected global market, the ability to work across cultures and languages is more important than ever. Tomorrow's leaders will need to inspire and guide through complexities while championing sustainable and ethical practices. The future is coming. Are you ready? Equip yourself with these skills and lead the way in the evolving workforce landscape.